All right, hey guys, what's up? It's Stephen Dunn with Core Therapy and Pilates, and today I want to do a couple quick little knee exercises. I have a client that's going in for a knee replacement, and these are the knee exercises I want her doing in preparation for the knee replacement, as well as soon as she has a knee replacement, start doing as soon as she's post-op. So I want to go over those real quick. A couple little simple knee exercises. All you're going to need is a towel rolled up, and we're going to use a foam roller. So the first one is actually called a quad set. And what a quad set is, you're going to have your towel rolled up underneath the knee right here. And what you're going to do, you can be laying down or sitting up like I am. You're going to tighten the quadricep muscle here on the top and drive that towel down. You're pushing your knee down into the towel, okay? It's called an isometric exercise. So you push down, hold it for 5 seconds, and relax. Push down, hold it for 5 seconds, and relax. So that's the first one, the quad set. The second one's called a hamstring set, where you're gonna get your leg into this position, and then it's like you're pulling your leg towards you using your hamstring underneath here, but the edge of the table, you can do it on like the edge of the table or just digging into the ground where the ground's not gonna let it move towards you. So you pull the knee towards you, the heel towards you, it doesn't move, hold for 5 seconds and relax. Hold for 5 seconds and relax. That's a hamstring set. Next one is called a short arc quad, and that's with the foam roller underneath it. And we're gonna lay down on our back for this one. And again, you can be on your back for the other two as well. Now in this position with the foam roller under the knee, we're gonna just lift the knee. Lift the foot. Knee stays down. So you're tightening the quadricep, lifting the foot. Hold 5 seconds and relax. Boom, and relax. So do about 20 reps of all of these. The next one is to take the foam roller out, bending one leg up, the other leg stays straight. You do a quad set first, and then you lift the leg up even with the other leg, or the other knee. And that's gonna be on your exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. So that's a straight leg raise. And then the last one we're gonna do is sitting on the edge of the table or the edge of the chair, and then just straightening that knee out. Let me get this down a little bit so you can see. And it's just gonna be sitting on a chair and straightening the leg, doing that isometric hold for 5 seconds at the end, and lowering. Lifting, holding 5 seconds, and lowering. So those are a few little simple knee exercises to do pre-surgery, post-surgery. If you're having knee pain, knee stiffness, those are some basic things that you can work on. So I just want to share that with you today, and I hope you're having a fantastic day, and thanks for everyone who hopped on, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye now.